Passive income, guys. Let's get you started with 5 different streams of passive income. Passive income is actually recurring income. You do a job once, you do it well, you do it right, and then you continue to receive income from that job that you've done well once. The first passive income stream that I could recommend you guys to get started on, a smartphone app. There are lots of platforms out there that allow you to create a smartphone app even if you don't know coding. We use App Machine. There are lots of platforms out there. App Machine is the one that we use. The main thing to remember is that there's only 2 types of apps out there. There's useful apps and there's entertaining apps. Decide which one you're going to be. And then be the most entertaining app you can possibly be and entertain people month after month, or be a useful app. Solve a problem for them and be the best at solving that problem for them. That's the way you can bring value through your smartphone app. The second passive income revenue stream that we recommend that you get started is a print-on-demand type of business model. Merch by Amazon, Teespring, Cafe Press, Spreadshirt, those are platforms that we have used. Spreadshirt is the one that we use and like the best. Basically, your job is to have the creative capital, the intellectual capital. You come in with your creative ideas, upload them to the platform, and the rest of it is handled by the platform. They take care of printing, they take care of fulfillment, customer service. You don't do any of that. You just have to be the creative one. So for that reason, I consider that to be one of the simplest things that you can do to put into place in order to start generating passive income and recurring revenue for yourself. The third recommendation we have for passive income generation is going to be an online course. Everyone's got something that they know better than the average person. There's something that you are undeniably the best at, and you can take that knowledge from between your ears, put it into an online course platform, and put it up for sale. This one I would give kind of a moderate level of difficulty in getting started, because you have to take that knowledge, create the videos, create some written materials and some PowerPoints, and package them together into an online course. Now, what makes it easier and simpler on us now is that we have lots of platforms that can do that for us. Podia, Udemy, Teachable, these are just a few of them. We use Podia, and you create an online course with video, PowerPoint, and written materials, upload it into their platform, and then put it up for sale at a price point that you decide is relevant and appropriate for your course material. The fourth method for creating passive income that we recommend is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing works like this. You sign up as an affiliate with a company. They provide you with a coupon code or an affiliate link that you can then use on your website, social media, YouTube channel, anywhere in your online presence. And you utilize the coupon code or the affiliate link to drive traffic to their website. And whenever somebody makes a purchase using your code or your link, you get a percentage of that profit. ClickBank and Amazon affiliates are 2 major players in the affiliate marketing game. But most companies, REI, companies like that, supplement companies, bodybuilding.com, they will all have affiliate marketing programs that you can participate in. Take a look at affiliate marketing. It is a very, very simple way for you to get involved in creating recurring revenue and passive income. As long as your links stay out there, whenever somebody clicks on them, wherever you have put them, you will get a cut of the profits from the purchases that they make. The fifth method of passive income that we believe you can take advantage of is by starting a YouTube channel. Leveraging your creativity and the knowledge that you have on YouTube, on social media, create a YouTube channel, create content that people can enjoy and learn from. And as you generate a following, then that following will turn into the ability to generate passive income and recurring revenue. This is on the more difficult end because it is simple to start. To start a YouTube channel, all you need is a Gmail account. But it does require that you stick to it and you have perseverance and consistency in order to create a following in your YouTube channel or with your social media or both. But we do know for sure that ad revenue, sponsorships, product placements, all of those avenues are available to you to get recurring revenue and passive income if you take advantage of them and you're consistent and create excellent content that people can enjoy, be entertained by, or learn from. So those are the 5 methods of creating passive income for yourself that we feel like everyone out there can really take advantage of. They're simple, and you can begin them with little to no money at all. So once you get started, you'll begin to see how your sweat equity that you put in up front can make you revenue streams that create recurring revenue and passive income for months and years to come. Let's get started.